Hi everyone, it's me, Teresa McKelvey, and I thought I would do a walkthrough of my metal shed. And it's just a little metal shed building, and so it has two windows, and it's I just thought I'd kind of walk through, let you see what I've done, what I've been up to. So this is the door. I plan on getting some, since it's magnetic, like magnetic shelves, and fill up the door with, which I think will be really nice. But anyway, so it's a studio. So let's see, I'm not very good at doing walkthroughs. First of all, let me tell you that there are blue tape because this is a studio. So Jeff walked me through like where to put my lights and my camera. And so we set that up. And I haven't fully moved into the space yet. So this side obviously is the yarn shop around the corner side, which is basically my, sit and knit and, come up with patterns. We're going to put that up there, and then we'll space this out, make it not look so junky. But this is basically, there's a table here, and I'll shoot this way for, Teresa from the yarn shop around the corner, and then I can use my table here to shoot tutorials if I do any. And basically this is just my creative space. Got a light hanging up here. Got all my, of course I haven't brought all my other stuff out, and obviously I haven't brought out all my yarn because this one is completely empty. But so this will be where all my yarn is, and basically where I come up with, whatever it is I'm going to do fiber wise. And so this is just my little yarn shop side. I really tried my best not to go and put up all my pictures from the yarn shop. It was really hard, but I knew it would be cluttered, and I was still thought I might just line them, but I want space. I like space, but I also love to be surrounded by all the great memories. Like, let me show you. So today I was going through a box, and I found these that my friend Mitzi had shown me and brought them to me in the shop for, and ideas. And I just love stumbling across these things and having these memories and keeping them. And so anyway, that's kind of what this little place is. This is just the yarn shop side. Okay, so then I have my standing desk in the middle, which can go up and down, and then I have this side of the building, which is more where I'm trying to be a writer. I'm trying to do the Teresa McKelvey YouTube channel, which I don't really exactly know what all it is yet. I have some pretty cool ideas coming. But anyway, so this side was going to be full of books, but I have an office in the house. I know that I know I'm a very extra. I have a whole lot. But instead of feeling bad, I'm just going to feel grateful. So I can fill this all up with yarn. So, and it won't be on camera. So I can still have all my yarn out here. And so this is just kind of what we've done. We have not finished the ceiling. We're going to put, so this is if you can see it, this is a foam that came this color, but it's insulation. And I was like, oh, I like that. I wanted to have, bookshelves. And so I don't know if you can see because of the door. I may have to mess with the lighting, but anyway, so I love the open exposed. So they have this board in black, and so I'm thinking of putting that in the rafters and painting the rafters black, and so that'll be insulated. And then we're gonna get that one of those little mini units or a window unit for heating and cooling. But so far it's been wonderful. I've got a floor heater, and it's very dusty. But anyway, so I can't even tell you. I absolutely love this space. I got all my camera gear over here, and so this is more, where I could pull out my camera, my lights. I got some lights stored there, but Jeff has a spot where it stays. So it's just wanted to give you a little tour. We took it from everything looked like that, and we finished the electrical and did the insulation and did the sheetrock and did the flooring. So I'm just tickled to death with it. My goats are hollering, but I'm just so happy, and I wanted to share with you. And I'm not opening up a yarn shop out here. I kind of wish, back in 2021, that's what I had done, but I live, way out in the boonies. So anyway, I wanted to give you an update and let you see, since I've been sharing sort of pictures and such of the yarn shop, not the yarn shop, but this little shed, I just thought I would do a little video and let you see it's still a work in progress. So hope you all have a great day, and I look forward to hopefully running into you at a Fiber Friday somewhere. Okay, bye.